In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your thumbnails using text templates. This is a text template. You don't have much control over the style and look of a text template. Basically, all you can do is change the text and size. You can also change the position. Tap on the plus sign to open up a new project. Once you've selected your photo, tap on Add. Next, you'll want to swipe over and select Ratio and choose 16:9. Tap on the check mark when you're done. With your photo selected, swipe over and find Opacity. Bring the slider all the way to the left. This gives you a black background, but you can set it to any color you like. Make sure your photo is not selected so that you're back on the main toolbar. Tap on Canvas and select Color. Choose the color you want to use. You can use the eyedropper to select a custom color, or you can select one of the default colors. Let's go with a light gray. Go into your Photos app and find the photo that you want to use for your thumbnail. You can tap on the share icon and tap the CapCut icon right here. Then tap Import Footage into CapCut. It imports it in as the next clip, but I need it to be an overlay. Make sure that photo is selected like this. Then swipe over and choose Overlay. This makes it appear below the main clip. Long press on the clip and drag it into place. Select the layer once more and move it into place like this. Tap on Filters, tap on Adjust, find the property called Saturation, and bring it all the way down. This will turn your picture black and white. Select Text from the main toolbar. Swipe over and find Text Template. You'll be in the trending section. Notice that some of the templates say Pro and some do not. The templates that say Pro require a Pro subscription to CapCut. I don't have one. If the template is animated, you'll see it in the preview. In the trending section, I found a text template that I really like. I'm going to select this template here, and I'll add it to my favorites so that I can reuse it. The white symbol has appeared in the top right-hand corner, and now this template is accessible through my favorites. To access your favorites panel, tap on this icon right here. You can see I've got 4 different text templates saved. To use a text template, tap on it. When you add a template, make sure that you're at the beginning of your clip. You can resize and reposition the text. To edit your text, tap on the pencil in the right-hand corner. Here you can select each word individually. You can type whatever you want. Then just select your next text element, delete what's there, and type what you want. Make sure nothing is selected in your timeline. Then tap on Overlay and add overlay. Tap Photos, select your icon, and add it to your project. Long press and drag it into place. When you add an overlay, make sure the playhead is at the beginning of your clip. Select your image. Use 2 fingers to pinch and shrink it down, then drag it into position wherever you want it. So if I tap on text and select the template, I can move it easily. That looks great. Unfortunately, there's no way to take a snapshot inside CapCut. So to accomplish this, you'll need to take a screenshot. I might remove the first line, tap on text, and you'll have access to your text template. Double tap on your text template and select the first text element. Just delete the text and tap on the check mark. Now you can move the text template into position like this. Tap on the screenshot editor before it disappears and crop the screenshot like this. And tap Done and tap Save to Photos. Tap this icon to edit the thumbnail, and now it's going to say Change. Choose the most recent photo, and you get a preview. Tap on Save, and let's take a look at that inside the YouTube app. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.